Checking out with Afterpay is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can check out with Afterpay. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to go to any of the store which accept Afterpay as a payment method. So for that we will come to the Afterpay, and then you can actually explore the inventory or brands which supports the Afterpay. Suppose she does, so I'm just going to click on Shein and it will open up Machine Store. Now here what do you have to do is you simply have to select any of the product you want to buy. You just have to at that product into your heart. Now in your card you will easily be able to pay for the products using different payment methods. It have different payment methods, and one of the payment method should be after break. And suppose I've added this product into my cart, and we just do that. So there you go, and have added this into my card, and I'll simply go to my car. Now in different payment methods you just have to select Afterpay as your payment money. Now I will simply information to check out using Afterpay. So that's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.